Hey guys, and how's it going on? In this video we will be talking about how to turn off eco mod on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. So let's just dive right in, and we have a document open in front of us where we have full detail on eco mod. So now if you are just simply aiming to turn your eco mod off, you can see press the eco switch in the center stack of the instrument panel to turn the system on, and an amber light on the switch will indicate that eco mode has engaged. Press the eco switch in the center stack of the instrument panel a second time to turn eco mode black. When the fuel economy eco mode is engaged, the vehicle control system will be able to change the following: the transmissions will upshift sooner and downshift later. For vehicles equipped with a 5.7 liter Hemi 4-cylinder mode will enabled under certain conditions. The overall driving performance will be more conservative. So yeah, now you can simply press that button to enable or disable that. So yeah, that's the pretty simple process on how you can turn off eco mod on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. See you around the next couple of videos.